Hey, today I'm going to show you how to replace the fog lights on a Hyundai Kona without removing the bumper. All you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm. You're going to come under the car. As you can see, I've already removed everything. There's going to be right up in, there's going to be 10mm bolts. They're sitting right in there. And then all the way around it, right here, see this circle? You're gonna find these little clips, and you're just gonna pop them out. You're gonna stick your screwdriver right under here, and you're gonna pop them out. Normally they're sitting flat like that. Put your screwdriver in and pop it. You're gonna go around, you're gonna do it just right in front of the wheel. There would be one over there, and then all the way around, and then 4 10mm nuts. Then you can pull down the front of the skid plate, and you line yourself up with the front of the fog light. Right, this is your radiator support. Why you normally would need to remove the bumper is because where is it? This right here, directly underneath, right? This is your fog light. All you're gonna do is on these little tabs on the side, there's one on either side, pinch, so you hear the snap, give it a little wiggle, and pull down. And that's your plug. With that out of the way, now you could take this, and all you have to do is just rotate it. I already replaced this side, so I'm going to put it back, and I'm going to show you the other side, which is the same thing. Okay, so over here on the passenger side, the right side of the car is another one. It's this cable right here. Do the same thing. Pinch. On both sides. Down comes the connector, and then right there, that's your light. I'm just gonna rotate it to the right and pull it out. Now be careful on your new one, don't touch the glass. It could get hot from the oils on your skin that are just naturally there and blow. Also, this red gasket, be very careful, because if you go put it back in and it's not turning and you're not understanding why it's not locking, it's probably sitting like that. Because what it does is it actually, these 3 metal tabs right here are what it sits in. So you find a slot, you'll slip in further, you twist and it gets tight, and then you can't pull it back out. And then that's it. You just, the new one, you have it. Find your hole. I usually use my finger, right, and then I find it, I stick it up in there. Okay. And you turn it until it kind of goes in, but you see how it feels like it won't go in? Because of that gasket, so I pushed it in a little more. And then you just turn it the other way, and then re-plug it in, and that's it. That's how you change the fog lights on a Hyundai Kona without removing the bumper.